The accessory shoulder moves are all protocols that help release the shoulder once you've done it. And they also could be moves on their own because you've got, pain between the scapula or pain one side of the neck, or your traps are tight, or it could be many other reasons for or that require those moves. You're always going to free the deltoid, make sure that the shoulder joint itself is free, and then you can add these other moves. Now, there you don't do the better side, then the other side. You actually go to the side that has the issue, and the reason for that is because we're using the principle of less is more. So in this case, you do less than always getting the mirror neurons to work. You're just going to go to the side that has the pain.